Part E, the graph of a function g is shown above from 0 to 4. Of the following, which has the greatest value? I'm just going to emphasize here greatest so I don't forget. So we got 5 options. Option 1, what is this really asking for? It's asking for the area under the curve. It's the actual area. So from 0 to 4, this is asking for this shaded area. So far, this is the biggest because we have compared it to nothing else. 2, a left Riemann sum from 0 to 4, so it's the same interval, with 4 subintervals of equal length. 4 subintervals of equal length means that we're going to go here from 0 to 4. So every 1 unit, we're going to have this broken apart. A left Riemann sum means we go from the left side to make our rectangles. Now, if we compare this red area that I'm referring to the actual area, hopefully we can see this is an under approximation. It's less than the actual area. So far, 1 is bigger than 2. 3, use a right Riemann sum, 4 subintervals from 0 to 4. So if we do that, right is going to be to here for this first one. Well, first one, the one from the right. And right is here to here. And then right is here to here. And then right would be like something like this. So now we are looking at this area. Now this is clearly bigger than the actual area. It's an over approximation. So this is over the actual area, which means right now 3 is winning. That's bigger than the actual area, so it's bigger than 1. For midpoint Riemann sum approximation, using 4 subintervals. So let me do this maybe in green. So midpoint would be using the heights right in the middle of these. So that would be height here, height here, height here. And if we look at these blue areas, I know that I'm making a mockery of my picture at this point. That blue area is clearly less than the red area. So no doubt 3 is bigger than 4. 5, trapezoidal sum approximation. I'm going to get rid of a lot of this stuff, keeping the one that's the biggest at this point. Trapezoidal, we would go like this, and like this, and like this, which is super close to the actual area. Definitely less than that over approximation. So we are definitely saying that 3 is the answer for this.